Your daily out with me.
Yeah. Hey everybody, it's the program. We're on TV. Once again, once a day, every day. Oh, whoa. Once a day, every day. Turn on the machines and we start talking. We're going to be here for an hour. I guess let's play the dice game. Look at this. Who's here? Where are they? Where are you people? Carl's not here. David Lieberhart's not here. Luke's not here. Fred's not here. Nobody's here. It's me and you and us today. And we're doing this thing. Again, I'm writing down a number on my hand, which is 1 and 6. I'm kicking it off. I forgot to push the thing. And it's telling me that it's time. I don't decide. Who decides around here? Who can win? Like either I'm going to win or I'm going to lose. And that's all. That's all. Here we go. Where are you, Carl? Here it goes. 3 I lost. I lost the first dice game already. Number 3. Number 3. I lost it. But, see anything out there? Or just like that little crazy ring looking thing out there. Today is Friday. Tuesday. Wow, I was totally like, is it really Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. I was completely confused as to what day it was. I actually thought it was Friday. It's Friday. Oh, what day? What's going on? Where are we? I think maybe the whole excitement from yesterday on Monday got me a little bit confused to turn around or something, but kick it off and find out what to say. Carl, where are you? Where's Carl? He's missing. I think maybe I should have plugged this in before we started. I also should have started this thing. Or, I had some things to say. Yesterday, David Lieberhart was here, and he just had so much to say. And he was like, what do we even do? And now it's confusing. It's like, how did he even do that? He just had stories after story. Maybe he's older. Maybe someday I can get as many stories together as Mr. Lieberhart over there. But I'm gonna call Carl. Carl, where's your stories? Yesterday the place was packed, and today 0. People could stagger themselves and might work a little easier. Like one day you're here, the next day somebody else, and switch it out. But today everybody is same day, same time. Ring-a-ding-ding, Carl.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 36040200503 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Carl, it's the program. Where are you? Where'd you go? What are you doing? Where's the streets? You have about 50 minutes, probably 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Call us back. All right, thanks, Carl. All right, here the next. Let's call Freddie the producer next. Let's say, hey, Freddie. How's it going? How's the production end? How's David Lieberhart?
Hey, program.
Hey, Freddie, how you doing?
Doing good. How did I'm asking you guys how the production end went. I kind of had to skip the production today, and you guys worked with David Leibhardt. If you watched the episode yesterday, you got to see an hour with him, but you guys did some more stuff in the fancy studio. How did that all go?
I think it went fine. Did you go in there and check the tapes?
No, as soon as I got done with, I'm going to go in and check it tomorrow and see what we got to do with it. But today I went and bought a car after work.
Oh, you did it?
Because I got out late. Yeah, I bought it. I bought a truck.
Wow, did you drive it?
Yeah. I love driving it, but as soon as I got it from the parking lot, like I bought it over by grocery outlet, and I went to the bank and I did the money there, and then I went over to by the Iron Rabbit where they have this place where you can do the title and all that. And so I paid that money, and then I went to and got groceries at grocery outlet, and then I went to go start the car, and it didn't start.
Oh no.
Yeah, but it turned out it was just a battery thing, and the guy had said that he thinks that the battery is not doing so good, and I guess it hasn't been driven very much in the last couple months, so it's possible that it's used more battery than it's been able to charge with the alternator. I guess I'm going to figure out how that's doing tomorrow, but it was pretty scary. I was like, what? Should I just buy a car that doesn't actually work? So they drove it there, and I drove it the day before, so I think it's better than it felt, but that was a scary moment.
Did you get any battery?
Not yet. I have that jumper box. I recommend everybody carry one of those in the car if they have one, because you never know when you're going to get a bad battery, or it's just going to run out, or you leave your lights on or something.
Now you're a truck person.
Now I'm a truck person instead of a van person. Yeah, it's cool. I like the truck.
Yeah.
I can only fit 3 people in my car unless you throw them in the bed, I guess.
Yeah, it's an outside bed, no.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, Carl's not here today. I don't know what we're doing. I think the David Leibhardt thing went well. I don't know how to check the tape, so it's just sitting there.
Oh, you didn't know how to check it? Yeah.
I wasn't sure. I didn't want to mess with it. I was just being cautious about it.
The menu in which you are checking the tape, this is why VHS is different, maybe better. Because with digital formats, when you go to playback mode, that's probably also the same area that you can delete all the footage.
Yeah.
So you got to be careful of that. Yeah, are we going to play some of that stuff on maybe tomorrow's episode or something like that?
Yeah, maybe. It's mostly just him saying stuff, but yeah. If we get it onto a tape or wherever it goes, because I didn't get any of it off the hard drives there.
Cool. Well, I guess I'll take a look and see what we can do with it. It'll be interesting to see.
Yeah. How's the rest of the production then going?
It's going good. We're uploading to YouTube. We're a little bit behind on YouTube, but it's pretty good. We're catching up, doing the 2 episodes a day, one in the morning, one at night. And I got to do some capturing, but we're scheduled on TV for tonight and for the next, the 2 a.m.s are all scheduled out pretty far. But I guess I do have to capture tomorrow's episode, the Wednesday episode, and I have all the hard drives here with me. I'm gonna start leaving them back at the program again, or maybe at least swap them out. This is my new plan, was alternate the hard drives so that we can always have at least one there at the studio, because I think that's the way that we got to do it.
Then I could capture some myself too while they're here.
Yeah, exactly, and then we can capture them live, which it makes, now that we've got the ability to capture live, it makes me nervous to just do it just with the VHS, because I just remember sometimes it would be, the tape would get messed up, or, we've had a couple audio-only episodes, and I think those, if we'd captured them live, it wouldn't have happened, because it'd be taking it straight from the back of the thing. So I think it's good to do both. Safety is doing things multiple ways, storing them in different places. All right, talk to you later, program.
Hello, Carl.
Hey.
It's the program. We're on TV. How you doing today?
I guess I've seen better days, but it's okay. I'm chill now.
Oh, yeah? What happened?
Oh, well, I just wanted to see NWA biopic the second time, so I did. $5 like matinee price. So I managed to hit all the crying notes or whatever. So, but it's good. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you think the second time? You get more out of it?
yeah, you could say that. I think I had my fill of watching it twice now, and I think that'll be enough for me. I guess until it comes out on DVD or something.
You're not gonna go back a third time?
No, that's fine. 2 is enough.
You're gonna go visit Compton now?
What's your question?
You're gonna go visit Compton?
No. I'm good.
So you were in the movie, so now you're not here, huh?
Well, yeah, I wanted to check it out one last time, so I managed to do that, and I mean it's cool. Everything's, you know. What time do you want to do the program tomorrow? I mean, like 7, 9.
Yeah, either 9 a.m. or 9 p.m.
I'm down for evening, so I need to get to St. Peter's and figure out what is the hold up with me in terms of going to groups there for just figure out what's the hold up with them. So.
All right, so 9 p.m. tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Or maybe 10, maybe 9 or 10. I'm not sure.
Well, I'll be there definitely by 8:55. And I'll be I guess reading that Gru comic book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see anything on the streets
whatever.
today?
Streets. It's an empty parking lot right now. I'm passing Bed Bath and Beyond.
Oh, you just got out of the movie, huh?
Yeah, I have walked past TJ Maxx, and I'm right next to Bed Bath and Beyond, and I don't know. It's definitely a good thing, I guess, to be walking home after watching a movie. So I got my 2 flashlights, and I think I'm gonna pretty much crash when I get home. It's been a long, kind of a long day. I don't know.
Great. Well, don't get arrested.
No, I'm not trying to do that today. But you know, maybe tomorrow. No, I tease. The police. I don't know. I talked to 3 officers, and I probably talked about this on the program earlier. But the 3 officers that I talked to, they were like, "Man, we're wasting our time with talking to Carl. He's like uninteresting to us. We better get out or whatever." So, it's not a really any sort of thing. It's just how things happen.
Oh, hey, Carl, you want to do info time?
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right.
Okay. And 3, 2, Now it's info time.
Now it's info time.
You're watching your daily hour with me. It's our long hyper live call-in television talk show that's recorded every day in Thurston County, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, 366 days on the leap years. YDHWM began on September 19, 2010. It tapes a week in advance, so if you're watching this on TCTV channel 22, 11:30 p.m., this episode taped on the same weekday as the previous week. If you're watching this at 2 a.m., this episode taped on the same day of the month of the previous year. You can also watch any episode of the program on YouTube.com. Anyone can comment on the program, especially you. We are looking for content, so give us a call at 360-836-4384. Leave a message. We'll play your message on the next episode and call you back. Thank you.
Wow! Applause. You did it like pretty much word for word.
That was pretty on spot.
It was. I think it was about exactly right on, even with the timing.
Well, I could have. My connection could have broken up here, but I'll have to do it again. With my back to the TV screen or whatever. That will probably be another thing that I'll have to kind of like do, but yeah.
Great. Well, you pretty much did it right on. Thanks a lot. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Looking forward to it. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Well, who is that? Oh, Rachel. Here, I'm gonna throw you my keys. Rachel's outside. You gonna come in here? I can't. Oh yeah, we can't see you out there, but here, can you? Oh, where's my keys? I'm trying to find the keys. I'm gonna throw them to Rachel. Are you at that? Oh, there you are. You get them? Rachel's coming up here. Here's this voicemail. This is the silver one.
Yeah, this is Marco Rossi. I was calling because I have my planner to be on your daily hour with me tomorrow at 9 a.m. I just wanted to confirm the address. Last time we spoke, I think you told me that you're on the corner of State and Capitol, so I just wanted to get the exact address so I know where to go tomorrow. So if you just want to give me a call back, the number's 312-961-3825, and all works out. I'll just see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. All right, take care. Bye.
Tomorrow night. Marco Rossi, I hope it's not too late to call him back. Calling him back now, though. What? Hi. Where are you coming from?
I was downtown hanging out.
Uh-huh.
There's music.
What did you see on the streets just now? We're calling Marco Rossi, the mayor candidate. Hopefully it's not too late for him.
You've reached the voicemail of Marco Rosero Rossi. Please leave a message.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Marco Rossi, it's the program. You can call us back if maybe you're sleeping or something because you're doing that stuff. Tomorrow we're going to be shooting the show here about 9:30. It's on the corner of State and Capitol by the barber shop. Yeah, you can call us back if you need help. Maybe you can find out. Hopefully you can get here tomorrow night, you said. I don't know, but we're going to be here in the nighttime. So give us a call back and hopefully we can figure it out. What'd you see out there on the streets?
There were kids skateboarding.
Did they do any moves? Did they bust some move?
No, there weren't any moves.
When was the last time you were here?
Like less than a week ago.
With Mark and Mike.
Mark and Mike. And the baby.
That was just a few days ago. Yep. Yeah, you seen anything on the street since then? You saw the skateboard?
Oh man. Yeah, I don't know. There's just been like a lot of music and people walking around.
Hi, Kitty. It's Dan. You can call me back. Bye.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Dan Dobler, everybody. Here it goes. And Elias tried to call us too, so we'll call Elias next after Dan Dobler. You ever been kicked out of a place before?
Me?
Yes.
No.
That's good. That's safe. Being kicked out of places is not a good thing to have happen. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Dan, it's the program. We're on TV. How you doing?
Fine.
We're here with Rachel.
Howdy.
Hi.
What are you up to right now?
Not much.
You watching TV?
No, I'm reading.
What are you reading?
Stephen King.
Which one?
Different seasons.
Same one as before, I think. The books are long. Stephen King books are really long. They're so long.
You on the program tonight.
Rachel.
Hey.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi. How are you?
Fine, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Rachel?
Yeah.
Did you know I saw the Beatles?
What about the Beatles?
You saw them.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I saw the Beatles.
Heck yeah.
When?
When?
Yeah.
1964.
I know I've heard the story many times, but I like to hear it again. What? That was in their mop top days, right?
Yeah.
And were the girls screaming over the music, like you could barely hear the music, maybe?
Yeah, they were screaming.
Why do they scream so much?
I don't know. They went crazy.
Yeah. Was it like a good? It seemed like a good idea at the time, or was it like, why are they screaming? This is bad.
They're screaming their heads off.
Yeah. That's what they just wanted to get together. I don't even think they cared about the Beatles that much. They just wanted to get into a space and scream. You know?
They lost control of themselves.
Yeah, they just want to get crazy.
Hey, Rachel?
Yeah.
Did you know that Kitty's a doctor?
Did I what?
Did you know that Kitty's a doctor?
No, I didn't.
I'm a doctor.
Yeah,
That's
he's
cool.
a doctor.
You have any health problems?
No.
Oh, good. Because if you did, I could help you out with that.
He'll give you marijuana.
Yeah, that's all I do.
Awesome.
That's what I do. You know, like the doctor, I've been feeling a little faint. Say, have you tried marijuana? And they say, yes?
Dr. Kitty?
Yes?
You're thinking that you feel good.
Yeah, that's what I should be. Do you have any ailments right now, Dan?
What?
Do you have any ailments? Are you feeling? How's your health right now?
I want to know what happened to your sex.
Oh yeah? Have you tried marijuana?
I want to know what happened to your sex. I want to know what happened to your secretary.
Oh, what happened to her? I don't know. I thought she stayed with you. She left I haven't seen her in a long time because she's been spending all her time with you, I thought.
She hasn't been over here.
She hasn't been over here either. Maybe she's saying she's been telling us both that she's with the other person.
Maybe she quit.
She's been telling me that she's been hanging out with you. What has she been telling you?
I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her in a week.
Well, what am I paying her for if she's not visiting you?
I don't know.
Oh man, maybe it's time to find a new secretary. But I mean that secretary, she does the books so well. Like, what would I do without the books?
What?
That secretary, she runs the books.
Where'd you get? Why did you get Rachel to be a secretary?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know if Rachel could run the books as well as the other secretary, and I don't think Rachel wants to do that.
You're funny, Kenny.
Oh, stop. Oh, stop. You're funny, Dan. You're the funny one.
What?
You're funny too, Dan.
Yeah, I'll call you later.
All right, thanks, Dan. Bye.
Bye.
We're doing a little secretary bit. That's Dan's favorite little bit.
Yeah.
It's like acting, I think, you know. Doctor. People, because a doctor, because I always, whenever anybody has a problem, I always, like, have a solution. When people tell you that they're not feeling well, they usually want just to say, like, you want to say, oh, that's too bad. But yeah. I always have a solution. And then they're like, they don't want a solution. They just want to say, like, they want sympathy, and they say, I'm sorry about that. You say, I haven't been feeling well, and you're supposed to say, I'm sorry about that. But I always say, have you been drinking enough water? Have you tried drinking water, or have you been getting enough rest? Or have you been doing a thing that's new that you weren't doing before? I try to get to the bottom of it, and maybe that's not what's supposed to happen. So people be like, what are you, a doctor or something? And maybe now I am.
And now you're a doctor?
Now I'm a doctor just because I was trying to help people. I think mostly to say drink water. That's like my number one health tip. I'm drinking water right now. I'm trying to drink a whole gallon of water, see if I can do it.
During the show?
Well, yeah, I don't know. This is already, I've been drinking this for 2 or 3 days. But you're washing out your guts. That's what I think when you're drinking water. You know, your guts are dirty. They're full of germs and stuff. You wash them out. Here we go. Let's call Elias next because she tried to call us.
Okay.
You know Elias?
I don't know. You called her last time because she left a message.
Mm-hmm. Ring-a-ding-ding, Elias. Hi, you've reached me.
Please leave a message.
There was a,
Hello?
Hello, Elias.
Hello.
Hi.
It's the program. We're on TV. How you doing today?
Okay, how are you?
Good. Do you have a cold?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad. It sounds like you have a cold. Have you been drinking a lot of water? Have you tried?
Yeah.
Have you tried marijuana? No.
Marijuana.
That's what Dan told me to tell everybody. No. But you've been drinking the water for real. That's my real advice.
What?
You gotta drink way more water when you're sick. You gotta up it up a lot. Drink a lot more water than you think you even want to. Force it down. Just chug that water.
I know. I coughed up blood this morning.
Blood?
Yeah.
Are you dying?
No, it was red.
Yeah.
No, I'm not dying.
Okay, because coughing up blood, that's pretty serious.
It's the back of my the back of my tonsil is like really, really sore.
Oh, maybe you have tonsillitis.
It's just one side though. What's tonsillitis? What's up? I won't get my money till tomorrow.
Tonsillitis? I'm not sure what it is, but it's when your tonsils, or maybe it's yeah, I do know it. It's when your tonsils are inflamed. I'm playing doctor again. But when your tonsils are inflamed, and then you got to get your tonsils removed, and a lot of people get their tonsils removed.
Okay. That's good.
Hopefully you don't have tonsillitis,
yeah, that's fine.
Because then you'll have to get surgery.
Have a good day. I'm sorry, you guys.
Oh, you want to hang up?
What?
What? No, I was talking to someone outside.
Oh, bye, them. Where are they going?
Yeah. Will you talk to my kid real quick while I go to the bathroom?
Okay.
Okay. Let's say hi. Do you want to?
Hi.
Hi, Lydia, how are you today?
Good.
Good, you want to play the dice game?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. What number do you want?
Huh?
What number?
3.
3, okay. Hey, have you seen anything on the streets recently? Yeah, what'd you see on the streets?
Wait.
On the streets.
No.
No, that's good, that's safe. Your mom has a cold or something, you know?
I know.
Did you notice? She's got to drink some water. Make sure she drinks a lot of water.
Yeah.
I know.
Tell her to drink water because that's what you should do. It's good for you. Did you drink?
I know, but...
Yes?
Huh?
Did you drink water today?
This
Yeah.
soda. This one soda. Her let me have soda.
Uh-huh.
£10.
You got to drink water because if your mom is sick... Oh, hey, we're getting a call on the other line.
Hello?
I'll call you back. I'll call you back, okay? Bye. Oh, it's Marco Rossi. Hello. Hello, Marco Rossi?
Yes, this is him.
Yes, this is the program. We're on TV. How are you doing today?
Good. So, yeah, before we last talked, you said meet at State and Capitol. I just wanted to get the exact address.
Yeah, I don't know the number, actually. Yeah, and you want to come here tomorrow night?
Oh, no. Well, I guess I could come in the night, depending on what time. I was planning on coming there in the morning, 9 a.m., but I could come in the night if that works better for you.
Yeah, well, tomorrow we changed it up. We're doing it at nighttime tomorrow. I don't remember. Did we actually schedule it? Yeah. We're doing like 9:30 p.m.
Yeah.
Is that too late for you, or is that okay?
No, 9:30 would actually work for me. 9:30 p.m.
Yeah.
At the same spot.
Yeah, it's in the same spot, and it's Let's see. I'm not sure the exact address, but you know, it's like on right by State and Capitol, and then there's a barber shop. You know what that barber shop is?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. So you go, and it's like the same room as the barber shop.
Okay, a barber shop near State and Capitol.
Yeah. Yeah, we thought that.
Okay.
I thought that the primaries. I thought that was the actual elections, but it wasn't.
No. Yeah, actual elections are in November.
Good. So we'll talk to you, I guess, tomorrow then. Thank you.
Okay. All right. I'll see you at 9:30 tomorrow night.
Yeah, we'll be here. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Thank you.
I would call Elias back and the kid. Hey, Marco Rossi, he's a mayoral candidate, so that's exciting.
That's sure neat.
What?
I said that's sure neat.
Sure neat.
Sure neat. That's sure neat.
Sure neat.
We made it one word. We get a 6 and a 2 here.
I want to have 500 points. I got a 2.
The kid got a 4, wasn't that, or a 3? Wasn't that one of them?
Yeah, so the kid got 500 points too.
I got a 4, which is nothing.
I wonder if the kid's gonna know how to answer the phone.
Hello?
Oh, hey, you back from the bathroom? The kid didn't know how to answer the phone or something?
What?
We got a call on the other line, so we took it.
Oh yeah, she told me.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a mayoral candidate here tomorrow.
Oh really?
Marco Rossi, he's running for mayor.
Yeah.
You want to pick a number?
Sure.
Okay. What number?
2.
Hey, I got a 2-2. You got 500 points, so do I.
You guys are tied. Tied for the win.
Nice.
You got 500 points.
You got a 1?
No, nobody picked 1.
I got 1, thank you, Lydia.
Oh yeah, she said she's drinking no water. Hasn't drank water today. I asked her about it. Hey, did you ever get your thing fixed? Did they come in and fix your thing that it was a problem in your place?
Oh no.
They didn't fix it? They still didn't?
Yeah, they still haven't came. He came, like, when he first started here, he came twice to come fix it, and I told him, oh, you're gonna wait till I clean the house a little bit first, and then he, like, never came back.
Oh yeah, well, if you gotta get him. You gotta get him on that first try.
Yeah, when they feel like doing it.
Yeah.
Or you'll never catch them again. That whole window waiting around, they'll never be back.
Yeah.
Just sitting there. There'll only be bad things on cable.
Wait, what? You see anything on the streets?
Yeah, I see anything in the streets?
Yeah, what do you see on the streets?
Actually, I went to the courthouse today. I went to court.
Oh yeah?
For my friend.
Why?
Oh, just stupid.
What did you do at the courthouse?
I was there for moral support, I guess.
Cause your friend is charged with a crime?
Yeah.
Do you think that they're innocent? Are they being wrongly accused?
Yeah.
Oh, really? So maybe injustice is happening, huh?
That's no good.
A little bit, yeah.
Well, what happened? Did they get charged?
They're supposed to be charged 2 weeks from now. I don't know.
It was like their pre-trial or something?
Yeah, it was just their, whatever you call it, the first, they first described what you're in there for.
I think you can just go to court and just sit in the back of court, right? Like whenever you want. It's just like public.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of want to go.
I was in the wrong courthouse. I was in the wrong court for the first half an hour. I'm like, oh shit, where the fuck is she?
Oh yeah. Did you see other like court stuff go down that was like maybe it was in like Judge Judy or something?
Yeah, someone stole stuff from workers' Whistle's workwear. And she's doing like a couple months. I wonder how much she stole her. And the third degree, what does that mean? Does that mean that she hit someone?
No, I mean
I don't know.
I think first degree is not very.
First degree is the worst.
Oh, first degree is the worst?
First degree is bad.
So third degree is light then.
Yeah.
So she didn't steal that much. It's a light deal. But if it's 3 months, must have been more than like shoplifting like a candy bar. She probably tried to steal like a power saw or something.
Yeah, it was weird.
I think you can just go though, because you just showed up, right? And nobody asked any questions. You just sat in the back of the courtroom, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's like human drama. You can just go check it out. I mean, it's kind of mean, I think, to watch other people suffer like that. But it's not like it's not going to happen. It's not like you're causing it or anything. You're just going to go there and it's happening either way. So maybe you go there and just check it out as like a show.
You can see what's going on in your community just by going to the local courtroom.
Yeah, it's set up like a show, like it's a performance kind of thing. Like there's like the people there, and there's an audience, and there's a judge, and he's on the stage, and he's talking into like I think even to a microphone even. So it's like set up as like a little show, I think. So maybe it's a good idea to go check it out.
Well, yeah, you need to stop messing with the waters. I don't want all of them open, and I don't want them all mixed with weird stuff. Well, that one right there with the milk and the water.
Yeah, don't mix milk and water
weird.
together. That's gross.
It is gross.
Dude, Kenny.
Yes?
Who's in that picture, in that caricature from last time?
Freddie?
Oh, that's Freddie?
Me and Freddie, yeah. That's cool. David Liebehart was here yesterday. You know David Liebehart? No?
That's pretty cool, though.
What? You want to hear this Mr. Ginsu message, Elias? Oh,
sure.
Somebody's smoking cigarettes outside. All these smells come through this window from the people who are walking around in the streets in downtown.
make me come down there and keep you in a place that nobody's ever going to touch you till after you get married.
Whoa.
Motherfucker. I'm talking to you, Kenny.
Uh-oh. I'm getting threats by name. Mr. Gibson calling me and threatening me. That's it. Just like, hey, threats.
Oh my god. And apparently he's really protective of your honor.
No, he said he's going to hurt me, though.
And threatening.
Oh, but
terrifying.
marriage? Talking about marriage?
Yeah, he said no one's going to touch you until you get married.
Uh-oh.
Well, fuck you, dude. Don't threaten Kenny.
Yeah, don't threaten me, Mr. Biggs. That's not very nice to do. Oh, no, threats. What's for dinner, Elias? What'd you eat for dinner?
Panda Express.
Oh, that's good.
That
I like
sounds
Panda
really
Express.
good.
They put up those new billboards everywhere, and they're working on me, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
What are they for?
Well, I already like it.
I haven't seen them.
I think it just says, like, orange chicken. You know, because it says, like, their new billboards say the original orange chicken. Have you seen those billboards? You know what I'm talking about?
I did.
Have you seen those? Yeah?
I'm sorry. No, I haven't seen any.
Well, it's just like, all it is
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, just a few months ago, they released that, like, chicken and bacon.
Go get a yogurt.
The
Chicken and bacon at Panda Express.
orange chicken with bacon in it.
What?
And it was weird.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you know, it's like, oh, bacon, added bacon.
It was
anything.
weird.
It was good. Did you try it?
It really had bacon in it.
I only tried it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I tried the sample of it. Did you?
Yeah, I did. Some guy, oh gosh, where was he? He was, oh God, I don't remember. But he was raving about it. He was so excited. It was so funny.
You liked it?
He liked it, yeah. And I was like, so like, I had to try it because, you know, I had heard a really good review from it.
I didn't really like it. Did you try it? Did you buy it, or did you just try a sample of it?
Oh no, I didn't buy it.
Oh yeah, I didn't like it. It was kind of weird, I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now they have these signs.
Maybe if like sorry.
Oh yeah. Now they have the signs that say the original orange chicken. So it's like, remember when they had that weird thing and I didn't really like it, and then they had all all these new things. It's like, why are they trying to do these things? Like, they were trying to promote all these new things. They had like ribs, bacon.
That's spicy.
There's no beard in their house. That's lotion.
But now it's back to
Okay,
the
we got
basics. It's
that.
kinda that way.
Listen. Over.
What's the kid doing?
My kid calls beer beard. Just standing right next to me, being annoying.
Oh yeah.
That's beard. I call it beard time.
Beer? You're drinking a beer?
You want to make her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Because I don't want to.
I do want to, but I don't think that's gonna work. I think it might take a while.
We leave the crusts on.
I like.
Oh really? Yeah, that's not okay.
You throw them away?
For her, yes.
Really? Why?
Or I'll have like pieces of the sandwich around my house with the crust.
Why, she won't eat the crust?
No, she will not eat the crust.
Why? I think you started her early off eating, not eating the crust, and now she's used to it. You should have gave her the crust from the original. She would have known any better.
That's not true, man. That's not true. You just discover things on your own. You're like, wait, I can get this stuff off.
Yeah, I think I don't know. If I had a kid, I would force them to eat the crust. So eat that crust. What about the starving children in Africa and stuff?
Yeah,
you know?
my parents gave me that one.
Yeah, she eats only what she wants to eat, which is mostly junk. I'm a very bad parent.
No. No.
Yeah.
You're a good parent.
I can cook like 3 meals in a day and she will eat none of it. She'll just like eat yogurts or peanut butter sandwiches.
Yeah, you're a good parent. You're a good parent, I can tell. You're doing good. You're the best. Best parent.
What are you?
You're with her, she's got peanut butter and jelly.
Bullshit.
I don't know what else kids want.
Yeah, your kid seems happy enough on the phone and stuff. She's alive and functioning, it seems like. She hasn't died yet. I think that's all you can really do. What else can you do?
She hasn't died yet.
Yeah, you're doing great.
What are you guys doing?
We're talking to you, sitting on the couch eating some peanuts.
Eating peanuts, huh?
Yep.
Salted or unsalted?
Unsalted,
Plain.
of course.
Unsalted.
Unsalted, because I eat so many of them. I can't. If I eat that many salted peanuts, I would get sick.
Yeah.
I like unsalted because this is like half my diet. You know, when I'm sitting here eating these peanuts, like that's like half of the food I eat all day. So if you're watching me on the show, it's like that's half my calorie intake is right here. Okay. Hey, well, I want to call.
Crazy.
I want to call Mr. Ginsu because he called us.
Okay. Have a good night.
Thank you. Keep leaving those
Bye.
messages and call us back. Okay. Goodbye. All right, here we go. Let's call Mr. Ginsu next. Oh yeah, you and Mr. Ginsu don't really get along, if I remember.
It's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna call him anyway. I know it's fine. I'm not gonna call him, but we're calling him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we should check out a commercial too. See if she's gonna answer.
He wants to protect your precious gift.
What does that mean?
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 1035 is not available.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah, hey everybody.
Hey, guess what, everyone? I got mugged.
And
I was assaulted.
yeah, we know that we're also running behind in our dice game.
Yeah, well, if you want to hear about it, you might want to watch the program. I tell all the gory details.
Dan got assaulted. It was like a fight almost. Dan was
sort of
muggings.
2 a.m.
Yeah. Don't do this at home.
Don't get mugged.
What are we talking about?
Got mugged. Here, let's wait. Hello? What the heck?
Hey.
What the heck is going on now? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Dan?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah.
Screwed up these. We're not ready for them.
Hello? You want to pick a number, Dan? We're playing the dice game.
I don't remember what they were.
2,
6.
5.
5?
5?
All right, here we go. Roller. 1, 3, 6. Looks like 3 is 1. I think that's Elias, right? All right. Well, Elias won. Well, what's up, Dan? You calling us back again?
I want to know what happened to your secretary.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to her. I'm trying to get down to it now. It's more. I have more questions than answers.
What?
What are my questions?
Yeah.
Like, why does she say that she's going to your place and then apparently she's not? And where has she been? And where has she been? I've been paying the secretary to go hang with Dan, and she's not doing it apparently.
I haven't seen her. I told you I was here for 2 weeks.
I believe you, Dan, and she told me that she's going over there, and she's like, well, I'm not coming into the office today. I'm just going right to Dan's. I was like, okay, well, that's okay. I mean, that's what we pay for. And she didn't go. And so what is she doing? She's bailing on her job.
She might have been, maybe she's doing LSC and she's been on a trip and she got lost.
Yeah, maybe she's lost. Maybe she's not. I'm sitting here condoning or like coming down on her, and now she's actually in peril somewhere.
That's not good.
Maybe you think we could GPS her phone? Maybe she has a cell phone. We could try to GPS her. I mean, we gotta like call the authorities to get those GPS signals or something.
Well, why did you just forget her? Get him to say there. Get him to say there.
Yeah, just let her be lost. And it's like, oh, she's gone. That's it for her. Like, we don't need to go send a search party for her.
Why did you just forget about her?
Okay. If you say so, Dan.
Get him to say there.
All right, bye, old secretary. You're lost in the woods, and I don't care.
Peace out.
You can stay in those woods for all I care.
Yeah.
I'm kind of worried about the old.
Oh, let me know when you hear a new one, okay?
All right, Dan. I'll get right on it.
Bye.
Bye. Elias won the dice game. We should tell her. Should we tell her?
Should we tell her? Yeah.
Just real fast?
Yeah.
All right. Just real fast, Elias. You won the dice game.
The dice.
I think we're getting down to it a little bit. We probably only have a few minutes left here. We'll call Elias, and then we'll tell her she won the dice game, and then let's call John Webster.
John Webster.
See what he's watching on TV.
All right.
He's gonna say real fast, Elias, you won the dice game. Hi, you've reached me.
Hello?
Elias, you won the dice game real fast. That's all I wanted to say.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
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 All right, here goes. Calling John Webster next. Oh, Elias is cold. It makes me think that the colds are going around. I hope I don't get the cold. John Webster's residence.
Tell me how you
Hey, John, it's the program. How you doing today?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
TV a little bit. Uh-oh. Hello, John. Uh-oh. Something fell through. What happened? We're gonna have to. Oh, whoa. There's the bus. We're gonna have to make another call, I think.
Oh. Alrighty.
Here, John. I'm calling you again. Something went wrong that last time. What went wrong, John? Wrong, John. Wrong, John.
Wrong, John Silver.
Wrong, John. Hey, John, can you hear me okay?
Hello?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes?
It's the program.
What do you need? What do you need?
What's on TV, John? What are you watching?
This is John Webster.
It's the program.
John,
it's the program.
What are you watching?
What are you watching on TV, John?
Hello?
John, what are you watching on TV, John? It didn't work out. He can't hear us over the TV. John, your TV is so high volume.
Wait, can you
gotta turn that up. You gotta turn that up a little bit.
Have you recorded
that?
it? Yeah.
No, I'm in the middle of watching that actually.
Yes. Okay, wait, why aren't you watching it with me?
You wanna watch it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can watch it here.
Actually, when I was like 11.
I like that movie.
The
Stephen
special
King.
effects
It's
are
like,
bad.
they are bad, but it's okay because it's like you're using your imagination. You know, you see that.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, I heard something that the special effects, they're trying so hard now, that's why they don't look as good. Those old ones, you see them and, you know, they're conveying a point. Like, it doesn't look real, but
yeah,
it's something.
Yeah, I am really into like the makeup versus, you know, computer.
Oh yeah, but
animated
it's
sometimes
computers in
for,
that
like,
movie though.
When people like transform into beasts and stuff.
Yeah, that's like old computer stuff in the Langoliers movie, but it's like you know what they're doing, what they're trying to do, and I don't know if people could see the badness in it when it came out, but I think they probably could.
I was 11.
I guess I was probably close. Let's call some McDonald's here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna call Maui, Hawaii, and McDonald's and
Hawaii?
see. Yeah, because it's nighttime. Yeah, when it's nighttime, we call Hawaii. Have you ever been to Hawaii?
Yes.
Oh yeah, what'd you do there?
I went to a bunch of historical sites and stuff with my grandma.
Historical sites? Did you go to the beach?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right, that's what. Did you eat coconuts?
Yes.
Did you do one of those pigs?
Yes.
The sand pigs?
I ate a sand pig.
For your kosher?
I think I had chicken then.
Okay, yeah.
They did turkey.
They did turkey in the sand?
They did turkey.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Hello? McDonald's?
McDonald's Honolulu?
Didn't seem like, I think...
Aloha?
Aloha,
maybe you have to say
McDonald's?
aloha.
Do they actually say that? I mean, is that for real? That's not just like a tourist, like, weird thing?
Well, I don't know if it's just, I don't know.
I think it might just be like
I
some...
actually totally say that.
Like... I don't think I've ever heard them say that when I called them a lot.
It's supposed to be hello and goodbye.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi, see, they say hello. Do you guys McDonald's?
Yes.
Do you guys have those Hopia pies back yet?
No, we have the taro pie.
Oh, taro, that's what, beans?
Yes.
Oh, sweet beans, yeah?
Yeah.
Mochi, yeah? That sounds pretty good. When's the Hopia coming back?
I'm not sure.
Oh, do you guys have like a calendar or something?
Wait, do you
Yeah,
guys have
but then we...
What?
Sorry?
You have a calendar that says when the food's coming out?
No.
Oh, how do you know then? You just get to, they don't tell you?
Yeah.
It just shows up one day and then you just sell it?
Yeah.
That sounds pretty good. I like the Hopia. Do you know when the season, like, you just think on the seasons? Because I'm trying to remember what season it came out even.
I think around January, February, we have it.
So I gotta wait quite a while, then like almost 6 months, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay, I can wait. Thank you.
Do you guys
You're
have play?
welcome.
Do they play at McDonald's tonight?
Yep.
I don't know. But it's the end of the show, that's why I hung up.
Okay.
Thanks, Mr. Ginsu. Thanks, Elias. Thanks, Dan Dobler. Thanks, Rachel. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me, Kenny.
Marco Rossi, also.
That is just exciting.
Mayoral candidate to be here tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Episode number and date of the week. Thank you. Woo! TCTV channel 22. Yeah.
At 11:30 p.m.
YDHWM.com. Check it out. Jordy E on 360-364-364. Thank you. Do you guys want to be on the crew? I'm doing things that you want. Rachel, you're on the crew. Bob, Desmond, Eddie, Emma, Grace, Igor, Karen, Quinton, Paul, Weber, Robin, Zilger, UFO FBI, yeah. TCTV, thank you. Crystal Ball, La Bebe, Jordan E, Fabulous, Thurston County, Washington State, USA, thank you. Viewers only. Oh yeah, dog. Oh, woof, woof. Bye. Coming up in the next episode of the program.
Your daily out with me.
Yeah, hey everybody, it's the commercial. We're here with mayoral candidate Marco Rossi.
Hey, glad to be here.
He tells us all about his mayor
positions
and stuff, yeah. We're getting involved in city government. Cheryl, somebody next, if you're out there, you're gonna get on the show because You're on here. We're endorsing you now. So we're endorsing Marco Rossi as the mayoral candidate until at least Cheryl Shelby comes up and tries to convince us. Otherwise,
call us 360-836-4384.
Vote. Go out and vote. Thank you.